The best Android phones of 2024 combine cutting-edge technology, exceptional performance, and innovative features. These top-tier devices boast stunning displays, often with high resolutions and refresh rates, for an immersive viewing experience. Powered by the latest processor like Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, they ensures rapid speed and efficiency. Camera systems are advanced, offering high megapixel sensors, multiple lens, and AI enhancement for superior photography. Additional standout features include long life of battery with fast and wireless charging, ample storage options, and sleek, durable designs. These smartphones set the standard for excellence in the mobile industry. Let's dive into our top 5 picks. If you are seeking for the best value for your money in an Android phone for 2024, look no further than the OnePlus 12. This device offers incredible features at a competitive price. Keeping with its predecessor's design, the OnePlus 12 sports a distinctive camera module with a matte back that resists fingerprints. The phone is slightly larger and heavier, maintaining the familiar side alert slider for notifications. The OnePlus 12 boasts a stunning 6.8-inch QHD Plus display with excellent viewing angles, HDR Plus support, and a peak brightness of 1600 nits, ensuring vibrant visuals under any lighting conditions. Security is top-notch with a fast in-display fingerprint sensor and instant face unlock. Under the hood, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processors powers the OnePlus 12, delivering exceptional performance for gaming, multitasking, and high-speed file transfers. This powerful chip ensures smooth and efficient operation, making it an ideal choice for tech enthusiasts. Battery life is impressive with 5400 mAh capacity. The OnePlus 12 sports a 100-watt fast charging, wireless charging, and a reverse wireless charging. During testing, it managed to deliver up to 5 hours of screen on time, even under heavy use and synthetic testing. The camera experience is equally impressive. The 48 megapixel wide-angle sensor enhanced by Hasselblad experts produce vivid, high-quality images. The 64 megapixel telephoto lens offers a great detail and smooth processing. The camera app is user-friendly, and the 32 megapixel front camera is significant under upgrade from previous models. For video recording, the OnePlus 12 excels with 4K at 60 fps on the wide-angle sensor, 8K at 24 fps on the main camera, and 4K video capabilities on the front camera.